In this video, I'll show you how to watch Korean dramas, also known as K-drama, on your Windows laptop. Step 1. Stream on global platforms. Subscribe to Netflix, Viki, or Amazon Prime Video. These platforms offer a wide variety of K-dramas with subtitles and HD streaming. This subscription will cost you some money. Step 2. Visit K-drama specialized sites. Try platforms like Kokoa, Asian Cross, or On Demand Korea with rich K-drama libraries. These have some really good content. Some offer free content with ads or affordable subscriptions, so only a few dollars. Step 3. Take advantage of free options. Use YouTube official channels like KBS World or free K-drama episodes, including subtitles. Step 4. Install K-drama apps via Android emulators. You can download BlueStacks or MEMU to install K-drama apps like Viki and On Demand Korea on your Windows laptop. Step 5. Enhance playback. You need to have a stable internet connection and enable subtitles for your full enjoyment if you don't speak Korean, of course. I advise you to use a Ethernet cable too for a stable internet connection. Then adjust your video quality settings to suit your bandwidth. And that is how you watch K-drama on your Windows laptop. Here's a nice picture of my dog. You deserve to see him. Thanks for watching. Bye.